Good day, everyone. Again, this is Teacher June. Welcome to my channel. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update tayo sa mga susunod pa nating tutorial videos. Okay, so before we proceed to our lesson for today, let us first observe these three figures here. As we can see, we have figure A, figure 1, and figure 2. Now the question is, how are figures 1 and 2 related to figure A? Yes, tama po kayo. Tama po yung iniisip nyo na yung figure 1 at saka yung figure 2 are actually just part of figure A. Meaning, if we are going to take this part here from point A to point B, pag kinat natin yung part na yon, we will produce this figure, figure 1. Okay? So if we are just going to take this part here from point A going to point B towards this direction, what we will have is figure 2. Katulad niyan. So, in other words, figures 1 and 2 are actually just part of this figure here. And since this figure here is a line, so therefore figures 1 and 2 are just parts of a line. At yun po yung i-discuss natin ngayon. We have the subsets of a line. Ano nga ba itong subsets of a line? There are two subsets of a line. The first one we have is a line segment. What is a line segment? A line segment is a subset of a line that has two endpoints and therefore it has definite or fixed length. Anong meron sa line segment? A line segment has two endpoints. And since it has two endpoints, ibig sabihin, this line segment do not extend in any of the two directions. At dahil hindi siya nag-extend in all directions, meaning meron siyang definite length or fixed length. Para mas maintindihan natin yan, let us give an illustration. Suppose this one is line AB. We have here line AB. As we can see, it has two arrowheads, meaning it tells us that this line extends in both directions. Ibig sabihin, mag-e-extend siya papunta dito sa kaliwa infinitely at mag-e-extend din siya papunta dito sa kanan infinitely. So if we are going to be asked, ano ang masasabi natin tungkol sa length ng line, we can say that the length of a line is infinite, meaning it is endless. But if we are going to take a part of this line, say for example, if we are going to cut this line at point A and at point B, meaning this part here, if we are going to take this part here, ayan po, ang tawag na po natin dyan ay line segment. Now the question is, yung line segment ba ay katulad din ng line na nag-extend in two directions? Hindi po. Kaya nga po siya merong two endpoints. Ibig sabihin, yung length ng line segment na ito ay hanggang dyan na lang sa endpoint na yan. Example, kung ang length niya ay 5 cm, fixed po yung length na yon, it will never change, it will never extend, at definite yung kanyang length. Now the question is, how do we name this line segment? If it is denoted by two capital letters on its two endpoints, paano natin siya papangalanan? We can actually name this line segment as line segment A, B. Just like this one, capital letters A and B at merong symbol ng line segment above. Or we can read this one as line segment AB or simply segment AB. Another question, can we also name this line segment starting at point B? Yes, we can actually name this line segment as line segment BA. Just like this one, two capital letters B and A with a symbol of line segment above, and this can be read as line segment BA or simply segment BA. Ibig sabihin, yung name ng line segment can be line segment AB or it's the other way around, line segment BA. Pwede siyang baliktad. Okay, so let us now proceed to the second subset of a line, which is a ray. Ray is a subset of a line that has only one endpoint and it has no definite length. Ano ang meron siya? Meron siyang one endpoint. Hindi katulad ng line segment, ang endpoint niya ay iisa lang and it has no definite length. Ibig sabihin, yung length niya ay infinite, endless, immeasurable, because it extends in one direction. And for us to be able to understand this better, let us have this illustration. We have here line AB. If we are going to cut this line from point A to point B towards this direction, what we will have is ray AB. And then, if we are going to cut this line from this point, from point B to A towards this direction, what we will have is this figure here. And these two figures here, the pink one and the yellow one, are what we call the ray. Okay, so ngayon, what can we say about the length of a ray? Since a ray has one endpoint and has one arrowhead, meaning in this part of the ray, it extends in this direction infinitely. So, ibig sabihin, yung length ng ray is infinite. It is endless. It is immeasurable. Just like this ray here, from point B towards this direction, yung arrowhead na to ay nagpapakita na it can be extended to this direction infinitely. Okay? So, how are we going to name these rays? Let us start with the first one. We can name this pink ray as ray AB. Paano natin siya papangalanan? We should always start from the end point towards the point near the arrowhead. Ibig sabihin, lagi tayong magsisimula sa end point. So this ray here is ray AB. Two capital letters AB and with the symbol of array above, and this can be read as ray AB. My question is, pwede ba nating pangalanan tong pink ray ng ray BA? No, hindi pwede dahil katulad ng sabi ko kanina, we should always start at the end point. How about this ray here? How will we name this ray? We can name this ray as ray BA. Two capital letters B and A with a symbol of array above. So meaning we should always start at the end point, going to the point that is near the arrowhead. So this is named ray BA. Or we can read this one as ray BA. So those are the two subsets of a line, the line segment and the ray. In summary, we have here a line. As we can see, it has two arrowheads, meaning it extends in both directions. Ibig sabihin, yung length niya is infinite, endless, immeasurable. While the subsets of a line are, we have the line segment, which has two endpoints. Ibig sabihin, dahil meron siyang dalawang endpoints, it will never extend in any direction. Ibig sabihin, fixed yung length niya, definite. And we also have ray. As we can see, it has one endpoint and one arrowhead, meaning in this direction, a ray can extend infinitely. So therefore, its length is indefinite or infinite. Okay, so that's all for today. Again, God bless everyone and good day.